Alright, what am I gonna do now?
Oh my gosh, look at her jump! Oh, there she goes, one by one. Well, that last one's a little iffy. There's Daddy, though. Oh, there she did it. Now let's see if Lila can do it. Come on, Lila. Should we go together? Come on, baby. Let's go together.
Look at kids going in the water.
You can come with Mama. Come on. Come on, Lila. All right, here we go. Are you coming? Oh, God, baby. There's one baby. I don't know if Mama can do it, though.
Come on.
Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. I think she's waiting for Mama to go. Mama's scared, though.
Come on.
Come on, Lila, go to Daddy.
I think I should start walking away, so.
Daddy's gonna leave. Oh. Oh, there's Kia. I think she might want to come see Mama. Okay. Are you coming, Lila? Oh. She's gonna try to walk across the water, I think, instead.
Honey.
Look at Kia just jump across him like it's nothing. Well, Lila decided not to walk across water. Oh! Here she comes. Miss Lila. There's Kia. Kia's meeting us in the middle. Daddy's leaving us, look. Daddy's leaving us.
Kia.
We gotta go get Daddy. There goes Kia. Here's Lila splashing over here. Kia made it across already. Me and Lila are struggling. We're struggling. Go for it, baby. Go ahead. Be brave like Mama's not. Mama just doesn't want to ruin her camera. Oh, let's find a good rock here. Oh. That's because I'm here. Still, she's like, if Mama can't do it, I can't do it either. Are you coming, baby? Mama's almost done. Oh. Okay. There we go. She followed Mama and biffed it. There she goes.